So are you one of those people that are completely frustrated with the whole way you have to look for work today? My name's JT O'Donnell, and this is Coaching Moment, where I help you remove the roadblocks so that you can move your career forward. Recently, I did a video on how to write a cover letter that employers will love. And what we found really interesting was there were a lot of comments on this video about how frustrated people are with the general process of hiring. They're really angry at employers. They think the whole process is ridiculous. You can see some of the comments here. And I found that so interesting because I'm all about the mental attitude that you have to have when you're looking for work. And as you know, it really has to be positive. You have to have the right mental attitude. And so if you're looking at the employer as the bad guy, then you're going to struggle to find work. And yes, I'm going to call it out. The job search process as we know it is broken. I mean, we have the statistics to prove it. The ATS system that you apply to, only 3% of people that apply online ever get seen by a human eye. And that's because the system is designed to screen you out, not screen you in. So one of the things that we're constantly teaching you here at Work It Daily is how to go around this broken process. And truly, that's your competitive edge. I encourage everyone that's watching this to actually get excited about the fact that you could be doing something that nobody else in the job search world is doing. There is lots of competition out there right now. We have a very low unemployment rate, and that means everybody's looking for work. Even people that like their jobs feel the need to go see if there's something better out there. So it's harder to find a job than ever before. But all those people are using the same outdated, broken way to look for work. They're applying to ATSs and hoping to hear back. You know better. And when you have the tools and resources like writing a disruptive cover letter, which again, you can watch that in the video that we shared here, and learning how to go around the ATS and actually networking and connecting with your dream employers, this process is so much easier. And what happens is that you sort of like sneak through and get into a place where nobody else is because nobody else is doing this. Now, someday everybody's going to catch on, but until they find this channel and they all figure it out, you have the competitive advantage. So my advice to you at this point is to watch the videos that we have here related to job search. We call it disruptive job search for a reason, because we know it's different and we know it's working. All right, what did you think? Was this advice helpful? Share it in the comments below. Do you have a coaching moment that you need help with? Is there something really bothering you? Please share that down below. You could be our next coaching moment. And until the next video, I just want to remind you this. You can achieve your job search goals, but only if you have the right mindset. And the way to do that is to work it daily.